I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and a lot of people that have the Sonicare toothbrush from Philips, when they first get it, wonder how are you supposed to charge this thing? And it makes sense. There's no USB port or any kind of normal charging jack that you'd expect to see on the toothbrush. And the answer is that it actually uses an inductive charger. So this is the charger. Again, no cords coming off of it or anything. You just plug it into the wall, and then you just simply take the toothbrush. You can see there's a hole on the bottom. There's nothing in that, it's just a hole that helps to center it, and you just simply put that on. You can see that the light will come on indicating that the battery is charging. And you don't have to connect it in any other way. It's actually wirelessly transmitting power into there through inductive charging. So as long as this is seated on top here, it will charge. And then when you take it off, it's ready to use. And the battery, in my experience, lasts at least a week, probably longer depending. So super easy to charge once you know the process. Just pop it on there, take it off when you're done, and you're good to go. If you found this helpful in any way, please subscribe to my channel. It really helps.